Hey nurses, you're on a home visit, and a mom says her 4-month-old isn't rolling over yet. What's your next move? Stay tuned for a pediatric case study to sharpen your NCLEX skills and clinical reasoning. Let's break this down using the ADD-PI framework: assessment, diagnosis, planning, implementation, and evaluation to address this mom's concern. Assessment. First, listen to the mom's concern about her 4-month-old not rolling over. Observe the infant for other developmental milestones, like head control or social smiling, to get a full picture. Note that rolling over typically happens by 6 months, so 4 months is still early. Diagnosis. This infant's development is within normal variation. The vital concept here is developmental milestones, skills like rolling, sitting, or walking, that babies master at predictable times, though with some individual differences. Planning. Plan to reassure the mom that her baby's progress is expected for his age. Educate her on the range of normal development to ease her worries. Introduce the novel term developmental milestones to explain how infants progress in motor, language, and social skills. Implementation. Respond with, "That's expected. Many babies at his age cannot roll over." This directly addresses her concern with reassurance. Then, teach her that babies typically roll by 6 months and suggest tummy time to support motor development. Ensure she understands the variability in milestone achievement. Evaluation. Check the mom's understanding by asking if she feels reassured or has other questions. Confirm she knows what to watch for, like rolling by 6 months, and when to follow up if concerns persist. The correct answer is D. That is expected. Many babies at his age cannot roll over. Rationale. Babies typically roll by 6 months, so this 4-month-old is on track. Early rolling can even indicate hypertonicity, but that's not a concern here. Clinical application. Always validate parental concerns before educating to build trust. Nursing tip. Memorize key pediatric milestones for NCLEX success: rolling by 6 months, sitting by 8 months, walking by 12 months. Pediatric Milestones cheat sheet for nursing students and NCLEX prep. A quick reference guide to key pediatric developmental milestones for motor, language, and social/emotional development, tailored for nursing students, NCLEX candidates, and early career nurses. Use this to ace NCLEX questions and provide evidence-based parental guidance. Gross motor milestones. 2 months lifts, head briefly during tummy time. 4 months, holds head steady, pushes up on elbows during tummy time. 6 months, rolls over, front to back, back to front, sits with support. 8 months, sits without support, crawls. 12 months, stands with support, may take first steps. 18 months, walks independently, climbs stairs with help. 24 months, runs, kicks a ball, climbs without help. Fine motor milestones. 2 months, hands open, swipes at objects. 4 months, reaches for objects, brings hands to mouth. 6 months, transfers objects between hands, rakes small objects. 9 months, pincer grasp, thumb and finger, bangs objects together. 12 months, points with finger, stacks 2 blocks. 18 months, scribbles, stacks 3 to 4 blocks. 24 months, turns pages in a book, builds a tower of 6 blocks. Language milestones. 2 months, coos, makes vowel sounds. 4 months, laughs, squeals, responds to name. 6 months, babbles, e.g., baba, dada. 9 months, understands no, says mama or dada non-specifically. 12 months, says 1 to 2 words with meaning, follows simple commands. 18 months, says 10 to 20 words, points to named objects. 24 months, uses 2-word phrases, 50-plus word vocabulary. Social/emotional milestones. 2 months, social smile, tracks faces. 4 months, recognizes familiar people, enjoys mirror play. 6 months, shows stranger anxiety, expresses joy or frustration. 9 months, plays peekaboo, imitates gestures. 12 months, waves bye-bye, shows affection. 18 months, engages in pretend play, shows independence. 24 months, follows 2-step commands, plays alongside peers. NCLEX tips. Normal variation. Milestones occur within a range. Reassure parents if development is slightly slower but within norms, e.g., rolling by 6 months, not 4. Red flags. Refer for evaluation if milestones are significantly delayed, e.g., no head control by 4 months, no babbling by 9 months. Parental guidance. validate concerns, educate on milestone ranges, and suggest activities like tummy time to support development. Key ages for NCLEX. Memorize milestones at 6, 12, 18, and 24 months for quick recall. Love these NCLEX tips? Subscribe, hit the bell for daily drops, like, and share with your study group.